Hello everyone, I welcome you all to yet another discussion session of the CAT 2023, and in today's class we will be taking up the slot 3 of CAT 2023 paper. So let's get started with the questions. 11th one, Anil mixes cocoa with sugar in the ratio 3:2. So we have cocoa and sugar, and Anil is mixing them in the ratio 3:2 to prepare mixture A. So this combination gives us A. And coffee with sugar in the ratio 7:3. So then he's also mixing coffee and sugar, and the ratio is 7:3. He's mixing them, and now he's preparing mixture B. He combines mixtures A and B now in the ratio 2:3. So now he's combining them in the ratio 2:3 to make a new mixture C. If he mixes C again with equal amount of milk to make a drink, so I'll write it somewhere else. So C plus equal amount of milk will give you some drink. Then the percentage of sugar in this drink will be, so in this, what is the percentage of sugar in the resulting drink? That is the question. So let's think of ways to solve this, answer it. See, ultimately, please note, I am mixing A and B in the ratio 2:3. So 2 parts and 3 parts, so that I get 5 parts of C, volume terms I am speaking in, alright, 5 parts of C. I am mixing that with 5 parts of milk, equal volumes. I am getting 10 parts of a solution, and in that solution, 10 parts, what will be the concentration or percentage of sugar? Sorry. So since it is 2 parts and 3 parts, also note how I am getting A by mixing cocoa and sugar in the ratio 3:2. That means, can I say A itself is 5 parts, 3 plus 2. Similarly, B itself is 10 parts. But please note, I want A to be 2 parts and B to be 3 parts. So considering all these numbers, what I would suggest is, suppose you take A and B, when you're mixing them 2:3, this should be a multiple of 2 also and 5 also. Let's make it as 20. So I'm taking 20 grams or 20 liters, 20 milliliters of mixture A. So then B will be 30. So that means C will be 50. 20 plus 30. Now notice, now in A, the ratio of cocoa and sugar was in the ratio 3:2, the quantities of cocoa and sugar. Out of 20, what will be cocoa and what will be sugar? And likewise, there can be coffee also as far as mixture B is concerned. Now notice, cocoa will be 3 parts out of 5 parts, so it's going to be 12, and sugar will be 2 parts out of 5 parts, which is 8, and there is no coffee as far as mixture A is concerned. Mixture B, coffee and sugar are in the ratio 7:3. Total is 30, so this will be 7:3, 7 parts out of 10 parts, so 21, and 3 parts out of 10 parts will be 9. And this is what? This will be non-present. So that means in mixture C, what is the quantity of cocoa? It's 12 units, sugar 17 units, and coffee 21 units. So overall quantity of C is 50, right? And now what is he asking us? He is asking us if this 50 milliliters of mixture C is mixed with equal quantity of milk, that means 50 ml only. So overall, can I say I will have 100 ml of the solution or 100 grams of the mixture, resulting mixture. Out of that 100 gram, how much is sugar? Is 70. So thus can I say the percentage of sugar is nothing but 17 on 100, which is nothing but 17%. So thus option choice 3 is going to be the correct answer. Alright. So here the key was to identify what quantity for A and B to be taken, so that we get convenient calculations. We could do it like this. I hope we are clear with this.